Oof, I just drank about half a liter of water and I feel like I'm about to burst. So let me try and work off the weight with a bit of pronunciation. Now, the word I just used was burst. B-U-R-S-T. Burst, not bust. Burst means to suddenly and violently break open from impact or internal pressure. And bust, B-U-S-T, well, that's the word for a woman's breast and chest measurements. A bust can also be a sculpture of a person's head, shoulders, and chest. So bust may have a couple of meanings, but it does not mean burst. Not if you mean to say it right. Say It Right is brought to you by Joy FM, radio for discerning listeners. For more episodes of Say It Right, listen to the Super Morning Show on Joy 99.7 FM.